Hey friends, if you encounter the error with the error code 9043 while trying to connect a TP-Link Wi-Fi router, then please watch this video. We will stick to the basic solutions. The first solution is to run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters. Now you'll find the network and internet troubleshooter. Click on run corresponding to it. The next solution is to update the network drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Now expand the list for network adapter drivers. Right click on the MediaTek Wi-Fi one and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. The next solution is to check the internet connection speed. So open fast.com and hit enter. The last solution is to connect to the 2.4 GHz network. So how would we connect to it? Click on the system tray here. Click on this forward pointing arrow. And then if you find the 2.4 GHz network here, then connect to it. Okay, I have the 5G network, but if you have a 5G network, you would also have a 2.4 GHz network here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.